There's a moment in life where you look at yourself and quietly realize, I can't keep living like this. You don't say it out loud, no one else hears it, but deep inside, something shifts. You're tired of breaking your own promises, tired of watching days slip away, tired of pretending you're okay with being less than you know you can be. And in that silence, you face the truth. The life you want isn't going to happen by luck. It's going to require discipline, sacrifice, and consistency. Not once a week, not just when you feel motivated, but every single day. And yes, there will be days where you don't want to continue. Days where the old you whispers, rest a little longer, skip the workout, you can start tomorrow. But tomorrow is the lie you've lived in for years. Your future doesn't change by accident. It changes when you finally take responsibility for it. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about being committed. It's about showing up even when you're tired, even when you're scared, even when you're not seeing results yet. Because sometimes the hardest part is believing you can become someone better. But you can. You can build discipline. You can break old habits. You can become stronger, mentally, emotionally, physically. And one day, you'll look back at this moment, the moment you almost gave up, and you'll whisper to yourself, I'm glad I didn't. So right now, make the decision. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Start with one step, one workout, one clean meal, one promise kept. Because every small victory builds confidence. Every consistent action builds identity. And soon, you won't just be trying to change. You'll be becoming someone new. I'm going to teach you how confidence is truly built. Because confidence has nothing to do with how you look. It has everything to do with the relationship you have with yourself. There's a simple formula. Whenever you make a promise to yourself like, I'll go to the gym tomorrow, I'll eat healthier, or I'll wake up early, say it out loud or write it down. That's how a thought becomes a commitment. And once you make that commitment, it becomes your responsibility to honor it. Because here's the truth. When you break your own promises, you lose trust in yourself, just like you would with someone else. Imagine a person says, I'll meet you at the gym tomorrow, and they don't show up. You'd lose confidence in them, right? The same thing happens inside you. Confidence isn't complicated. We just negotiate with our mind even when we're capable. Can you wake up when the alarm rings without hitting snooze? Yes. Can you start your morning without scrolling? Absolutely. Confidence isn't built in one day. It's built in the small moments where you choose discipline over comfort. No one is coming to save you. And the moment you finally understand that, everything in your life begins to shift. That realization hits hard. But once you accept it, your life starts rising with unstoppable momentum. Because when you stop waiting, stop hoping, and finally take responsibility for your own growth, that becomes your turning point. That moment, that rock bottom, is not the end. It's the beginning of your rise. The truth is simple. Your future will change when you apply these words in your life.